Welcome to our tutorial on the multi-pocket command. First, I'll select the multi-pocket command under the Pocket sub-toolbar on the Sketch-based Features toolbar. Let me select Sketch 2. As you see, the multi-pocket definition window has opened. CATIA has detected 4 extrusion domains. This dialog window looks a lot like the multi-pad definition window. Let's start by selecting the extrusion domains. I'm going to Control-select these 2 domains. In the depth field, enter a value of 3/4 of an inch. Press Tab. Next, let's select number 3 and enter a value of 1/2 inch. Our last extrusion will have a value of 1/4 of an inch. Press Tab, then Preview. To change the depth, simply select an extrusion domain. The blue line on our sketch indicates which is selected. Let's change the depth here to 1/2 inch. Oops, syntax error line 1. Let's see what happened. 0.5, Tab, click Preview, and click OK. And we have our multi-pocket feature. In the specification tree, I can double-click on the multi-pocket, and the multi-pocket definition window opens. As you can see in the specification tree, there is only one entry for this feature. This concludes our tutorial on the multi-pocket command.